Hey friends, I am Nishkarsh and today we are going to learn how our eye works. The first part is the cornea. It is clear outer layer of the eye, like a glass window. When light enters the eye, the cornea bends it and sends it inside. It is like the front gate that lets the light come in. Then the light goes to the pupil, a small black hole in the center of the eye. Around the pupil is a colorful part called iris. Iris controls how much light enters the eye, just like curtains that open and close. Next, the light reaches the lens. It works just like the camera lens. The lens focuses the light so the image is clear and sharp. It helps us to see things near and far perfectly. After that, the light reaches the back of the eye, a part called retina. The retina is a special cell that changes light into signals. It is like a photo being clicked inside your eye. Then the optic nerve takes over from the retina to the brain. The brain reads the signals so we can actually understand what we are seeing. So friends, cornea, pupil, iris, lens, retina, optic nerve and brain, they all work together like a team to help us see the world. Isn't that amazing? Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.